Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Spriggy Pocket Money application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your device, and once you open it up, tap on the search box at the top section and then type in Spriggy Pocket Money in the search box and start your search. Once you find the Spriggy Money application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Spriggy Pocket Money application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the Spriggy application right away on your smartphone. Once you open up the application, you can proceed with signing up to create a new account or logging in to an existing one in order to start using Spriggy Pocket Money on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Spriggy Pocket Money application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.